Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a long page screenshot on XIAOMI 12T Pro. And to do this you'll need to open something that has a scrollable page like settings. Now simply use your way of making a screenshot, and that is the volume down or power key or 3 fingers slide down. Depends on which ones are enabled for your phone. Now let's click and make a screenshot. Make sure that you select the scroll, and now you can see the entire page that you can scroll. So scroll all the way to down and click on done, and now you can crop it. To save it, click on this OK button and it should be sent to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.